Happy birthday, Kuya Maman!
Shoo! Shoo! Shoo!
Kamusta Kuya ang birthday? At mukhang malaki ang handa nito.
Saan ba tayo? Saan
Buong
tayo?
bayan yata ang imbitado ah. So, enjoy lang Kuya ang birthday mo. At bumabata pa naman tayo, kaya kain lang tayo ng kain.
Happy birthday, bro! Ang prayer namin sa'yo ay good health and mas lumago pa yung negosyo mo at saka mag-continue ka pa sa service mo sa Lord. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya!
Bye-bye!
See you, see you. We miss you all.
Hello, Tito Maman. Happy birthday. May your party be fun. I love you and I miss you.
Hi sir, happy birthday. Thank you for being my second dad sa UNCA. I wish you more blessings and God bless.
Happy birthday, sir! So, kahit 1 year ko lang po kayo naging teacher, thank you po dahil madami naman po ako natutunan at nag-enjoy po ako sa subject nyo. So, I wish na mas i-bless pa po kayo ni Lord at sana ma-enjoy nyo po yung special day nyo. God bless!
Cheese.
Happy birthday, Tito!
How about you, Tito?
Happy birthday, Mama, and God bless you, and wishing you blessing, good health, and more happiness this year.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay.
We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. Happy, happy birthday. This is your birthday song. Celebration all night long. May all your dreams come true. We sing all together. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday celebration. Party night, could feel the vibration.
Hi Sir Arman, happy birthday. Prayer ko sa'yo, syempre, good health and long life. God bless you. See you soon.
Happy birthday sa Maman.
Uy, diyan pala kayo. Carman, happy birthday po. Thank you po sa lahat ng advice na binigyan niyo po sa amin. Thank you po sa pagiging tatay po sa amin. Sana po more blessings to come and good health po sa inyo. Life starts at 40 na sabi nila. So, I pray po more blessings, good health, and all the happiness po para sa inyo. Happy birthday!
Hi, Tay! Happiest birthday po! Tay, una po sa lahat, maraming thank you po sa lahat ng mga ituro niyo sa amin. Kung ano po kami ngayon, we owe it to you, Tay. You are a part of our success po, for being a good tatay to us during our high school days and for always supporting us sa lahat ng mga decisions namin po during high school. Thank you, Tay. Thank you for being the best tatay. Enjoy po your day and wishing you all the best in life and of course po good health. Life starts at 40 nga sabi nila. Thank you, Tay. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sir Arman. I wish you all the good things in life and may the Lord continue to bless you and your family. May He always protect you and guide you. I wish good health, and I wanted to thank you for everything that I learned from you, all the guidance and the life lessons. Take care, sir, and may God bless you always.
May all your dreams come true. We sing on together. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday celebration. Party night, we feel the vibration. Lights are bright, we're feeling alright. We're dancing till the morning light. Happy birthday celebration. Everybody get the temptation. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels right. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kuya! Surprise! In behalf of the Ama College community, we want to greet you a happy birthday! And we pray you'll have all the best that life has to offer, an abundance and overflow of blessings, so you can also be a blessing to others, because we know that is just the nature of you. And we pray good health for your family, good things to come your way. And we're just here if you need us. We're still here. All right, enjoy your day. Happy birthday.